Hello, Diecast collectors. Today I have a green light. This one here is in the California Lowrider. This here is a 1985 Chevrolet Caprice. One thing I like about collecting green light, it's a different brand. It gives you a different variety of vehicles. There we go here. It looks like I got a car that's got a little bit of a bent bumper there. Can't hardly see any imperfections until you open them up. But I'm usually pretty happy with this brand. Don't have a lot of complaints, but metal bottom, rubber tires. It's a lowrider. Next I have a from the Vintage Ad Car series, 70 Chevrolet Nova. Free mild package. I like the color maroon here, red. I didn't see if the hood opened on that. Usually the hood's open on these, but if they come open, okay. If they don't, then that's okay too. Very nice. I like this car. Sweet ride. Let's see, next we got the Indy 500 series. This here is the 2020 C8 Stingray. It's a mid-engine car. So there seems to be a little clear strap here, which that means that this top probably comes off. Let's see if the bonnet opens up in the back here. Yep. So I'm gonna leave the rubber band on there because I don't have any. It's gonna go right. It's gonna go in a jammer after the video. That's where the Hot Wheels went to, because I ran out of places to display them. So just gonna leave that together. So again, variety. Got another Vantage or Vintage Ad Car, which is actually a 1945 Willys. So if he was doing a diorama and a landscape, would be pretty cool, like a bunch of trees and a hill and stuff. This would be really awesome on a diorama. I might end up just start making little dioramas for each vehicle. Like I say, start posting pictures on Instagram. Cause I'm starting to run out of space for all these cars I'm opening up, and I'm just gonna save my cars. Still keep collecting and then save them until I get a home, and then I can display them. All right, here is a series from the Barrett Jackson one, which is a 63 Chevy Impala. They have another 63 Chevy Impala, but this one's the California Lowriders. So, I mean, I don't know how much lower. I guess it is a little bit lower looking than this one. We'll see. Here's this one, pretty blue. The wheels catches my eyes whenever in the iridescent type look to it. So I have probably a couple castings of these here, so I like this. So let's compare it with the Impala here with the California Lowrider. Well, here we go again. This is not good. The seat, I don't know if you can't really tell, but the seat is out. The front seat is messed up a little bit. So I'm going to have to try to get some glue and re-glue it back in there. It's fixed now. So, there's that car. There's a little difference there. I like the blue. The wheels really catches my eye. So it's a little bumper to bumper. It's a little lower. I like the green too, though. I like the wheels on this one better. So this front seat is a full bench, I guess, and these have bucket seats. So, all right, let's keep going here. This is the all-terrain, which is a '91 Chevy S10 Baja. If you're a pickup guy, this is pretty nice. I like it. Again, if I had the diorama with just like a dirt rock formations, that would be really cool. And next I have from the Blue Collar series is a '92 Ford F-250. And it's got a ball and hitch. So it's got dual fuel tanks, hitch. Pretty straight vehicle there. Next I have from exclusive hobby one, it's a Jeep Gladiator. This is got black and gold, 2020. Very pretty. Very pretty vehicle. Don't know if I'd like the wheels choice on here, but very nicely done. I like the black and gold. Very nice. They're all pretty decent vehicles. I say I don't have a place for them to display them right now, so they'll be going into the little case for now until we get a place to put them. But all pretty decent. They all roll pretty decent. Okay, guys. Until next time, keep collecting what you like. We'll see you later. Take care.